Really yummy, really yummy, 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 yummy. That's it.
And this is our kitchen, and then we're gonna show the ingredients of Tom Yam Goong. And I'm gonna show you, this one is red chili and green chili. You can use either or you can use both. And this is the galangal. It's root of the galangal. And this is lamb. Key lamb, the small one, not the big one. That's like if you are not in Thailand, you can still get it in Walmart or some stuff like that, or in Chinatown. And this is the truffle lamb leaf, just the leaf, not the fruit. Okay, and this one is lemongrass, and we're gonna move to here. This one is like mushroom, small mushroom, but you can use any kind of mushroom. You can mix like 3 or 4 kind of mushroom together. And we must not forget, this is the shrimp, big shrimp, but you can also use the tiny shrimp. And I'm gonna put this thing in pot and heat them up. And we also have chili paste in oil and frying chili, and then after that we're gonna add this into the pot too. Yeah, and boil it. Wait, and boil it. And after that we're gonna finish this. And ready to be served. And if you don't like the taste, you can also add fish salt. If you cannot find it in your country, you can just actually like use salt, and you can put sugar if you like sweet one. Thank you. Please like and subscribe.